Let's install LuxOS. The first thing you want to do is download Commander. You can download Commander from luxor.tech/firmware. Once you have Commander downloaded, you scan your network, select the machine that you want to install on. Today we're installing on .33. We'll select our machine. We'll get a little option here that says Install LuxOS. We click that. You can make a few configurations during the install. Things like your auto tuner, selecting a profile that you want to run at, pool configurations, a few basic general settings, as well as any ATM features. You can start your install with those already configured if you want. For our case, we're just going to hit start the install, and you'll get a little pop-up just like this. And this will copy the files over that's required, start the install process, and then reboot the miner. While that's running, you can close this and come back and manage other machines, but you still have the installing LuxOS button here. If you click that, it'll bring you back to this screen. While that's running, let's take a look at the machine itself. Here you can see we're back on 68.33. It's a standard S19J Pro. It's running while the install is ongoing. It's going to pick up my pool names as well as my pool. It's going to basically gather all the information it can from Bitmain, assign the same IP address, same basic network settings. It's going to come up to the default profile, which is going to be the same as what Bitmain is running at to start with before auto tuner kicks in. But while the installer is running, this is still up and going. Let's take a look and see if it's done. Install complete. The machine is now rebooting. So we'll hit close. So we'll come here. Still up. Let's hit a refresh. And now we got the spinning icon here. In just a second, it'll come back. There we go. And here is LuxOS starting up for the first time. Now, once it's installed, you're going to notice that the machine starts to ramp. As it detects the hash boards, you'll see the ramp and the voltage start to come up. So start ramping up to that default frequency. We didn't make any configurations during the install. We can make all those here, such as things like ATM, right? Your preset profiles, those are there and ready for you. My pools are just as they were before. We have all those settings that we can change now as well. Now, the installs can fail. A lot of times it's a control board issue or an unidentified hash board issue or something of that nature, something that causes Commander to not be able to understand what type of miner it's looking at or confirm that that miner is supported. But in most other cases, installs are fairly successful. It just depends on network speed as far as your file transfers go. Otherwise, LuxOS is installed and coming up to full hash rate. You'll see this start to go up as time goes on. Normally within 5 minutes or so, it'll be up to its default hash rate, and auto tuner will be working to lower the voltage and adjust the frequency as needed to get the most efficiency we can. But that's the basics of installing LuxOS. Thank you.